Hey everyone, welcome to another Walkthrough Wednesday. We're going to talk about this bad boy right here. This is the 174RK Hideout. Really sharp. Like a lot of the other manufacturers, Hideout has updated their interior. They've gone lighter, brighter. The camper weighs 4,000 pounds and some change, so it's really lightweight. A lot of SUVs can pull this bad boy, so you can get to your adventure. You don't have to have a big tow vehicle, but as you're gonna see from the inside, you still got a lot of room in this bad boy. Before we go in, I wanna talk about some of the stuff on the outside. Like I said, it is a newer, updated body style. They have another newer, updated body style coming out soon, but really, really sharp, clean. You have a pass-through storage up here at the front, giving you ample room for some tables and chairs. A nice big powered awning on the outside that does have LED lights under it, as you can see. We have additional storage back here in the back. So if you don't have enough room up there in the pass-through storage, you got some additional storage here. You do have a spare tire back here. Nothing super fancy, not a lot of bells and whistles on the outside. You know, they've made it affordable, they've made it lightweight, they've made it easy to travel with. It does have the manual stabilizer jacks, but I tell everybody, hey, don't worry about not being able to push a button, get a drill and a drill bit or a socket, you're done. Let's go check out the inside. Okay, so as I was saying, the inside is where this unit really shines because as you see, it's bright, it's beautiful, and it's really roomy for as small as the camper is. So starting off to my left, we have the Murphy bed or the mullet bed. So you've got the business during the day, you've got the party at night. So on both sides, you do have the his and hers closets or just additional storage closets. And then during the day, you have end tables with drawers on those. At night, those turn into nightstands. As you can see, you have USB as well as regular charging there. And those his and hers closets are actually really deep. So plenty of storage. One of the nice things with the Murphy bed, like we were talking about, you know, a lot of people buy the smaller campers because it's all about the destination and they're going to be out hiking and fishing and biking and all that other stuff. But you know, on a rainy day or whatever, it's really nice in these smaller campers when you have a Murphy bed because you can fold that up and now you have more room. During the day, you've got a sofa. At night, you got a bed. Directly behind me is our booth dinette. Now this will turn into a bed also, so if you've got a couple of young kids, if you're not ready for a big camper, this is a perfect camper because you put this down at night for them. Now you've got an extra bed for them. A really cool kitchen in this one. As you see, tons and tons of countertop space, like a lot of countertop space, as well as a lot of storage options down below. Do want to point out, because I miss it most of the time, right here's where you mount your TV, so you can put that on a swivel. You'll be able to watch that from the couch, or the bed, or the booth dinette. So, piece of cake there. Microwave, 2-burner stove instead of a traditional 3-burner stove you see in a lot of the bigger models. Very nice sized refrigerator if I don't fall. And then last but certainly not least, we've got our bathroom. Very nice sized bathroom. We have a stand-up shower. We've got our sink with storage below. No medicine cabinet, but we do have some storage there on the side of the sink, and of course a toilet. So guys, there you have it. There's the 174. We haven't had these in a while. We've got a few in stock. So if you're looking for a really cool, bright, light travel trailer to get started on your camping adventures, come take a look. Have a great day.